Hello guys, this is your brother Thomas here. As usual, I do these videos to ensure road safety and for cars, pedestrians and cyclists on the road. Looking at this video I'm showing here, you could see a car on a road at a corner, and all of a sudden the door opens and a little child falls out of the car onto the road. It took the courage and the guts of the driver behind to stop without causing any accident. These sort of things seem to be happening quite recently, because even though we have seatbelts in the car to protect our kids, some parents or caretakers of kids don't put these belts on. And another feature that would really be helpful in saving our kids from these sort of things happening is putting on what we call the child lock on your cars. The child lock on a car is found when you open the door of your car and look on the side of the door panel. These child locks come in various forms. It all depends on the car and the model of the car. But as you can see in this video, this is a typical example of how it would look like. Usually need the key of your car to be inserted in a hole just on the side of the door panel, where you have the child lock sign written on the top of the hole. You put the key in it, turn it to the left or right to open or to lock the door. When you lock these child locks, when you put them on and the door is shut, the child will not be able to open the car from the inside of the car. But the car door can only be opened when an adult or responsible person is out of the car and opens it from outside. These measures would help a lot to save a lot of these incidences on our roads and to prevent any terrible situation or happening or occurrence happening to our kid on the road. I'm sure if we take this little precaution to ensure a bit more safety on the part of drivers and on the part of parents or wardens of this car, we'll be able to help save our kids whom we love so much. Thank you for watching this video, and you can share and let's help to prevent accidents on our road. We have to bear in mind that safety does not happen by accident. Thank you very much. Bye.